Hey guys, my name is Ribbon Phoenix from AlienThink.com and I want to welcome you to Blender Character Rigging for Beginners series. So in this video series, I'm going to be taking you through a detailed step-by-step process in understanding how Blender's rigging systems work. We're going to do this by building this very sophisticated rigging system that can be used on any character to give you realistic human figure movements. Now, in order to follow along in this video series, I'm going to show you how to download this realistic version of the human figure that you learn to model in the first volume of this video series called Blender Character Modeling for Beginners. Now, in order to be successful with this video series, I highly recommend that you use the same version of Blender that I am. So here, if I go under Help and Splash Screen, you can see that for this video series, we're going to be using Blender 2.78a. Now, you can use a later version of Blender, but I recommend you use the same version to get the same exact results. Now here what I'm going to do is simply show you first where to get this version of a Blender. So what you want to do is to go ahead and go to blender.org and click on download over here. Now Blender changes their website, so what you want to do is basically look for something that says previous versions. Go ahead and click this, and over here you'll see that it says download these versions, and what you want to do is simply go ahead and find Blender 2.78, and what you're looking for is the 2.78a 64-bit zip file or the 32-bit version. So that's what you should use. So what you want to do is basically look at the first preview lessons to get an idea of what type of rigging system we're going to build. Then we will start the rigging process. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.